Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lorraine and I'm going to do another bloom here. I'm having way too much fun with these. So let's start out with my pillow paint. Okay, just going to pour enough on here so that it spreads to the edges. Like that. And today I want to test out my black cell creator. That's my house paint. And then I have my colored paints mixed with an untinted deep base house paint and some Minwax varnish. And this is a Quinacridone Magenta. Put that one down first. Very thick paints. And then I have a violet. A cadmium yellow light. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of my magenta. Not too much of it. And then I have a light green. And this time, I'm going to use my black Amsterdam paint along with the Australian Floetrol as my cell creator. Okay, here we go again. I need a little bit more of my cell creator on here to blow out the rest of this. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty with the green. Little cells coming up here that are green on the outside and pink on the inside. So pretty. And I'm going to get my straw and see if I can break this up a little. Turn it around. See how the cells started popping up? That's so cool. Give you a close-up look at how the cells develop when you first blow on it. It looks like it's getting back to level. So I should be able to tilt it now. So, see if I can bring it down towards that corner. Just catch the edge. Let it get over that corner and I'm going to bring it back. Didn't quite go over the corner, but that's okay. Rock it back and forth. Just a little bit. As I'm bringing it back. I'm just trying to keep my lacing nice and round. Work it down towards this other corner. You can see I've been playing here, all the paint that's sitting. And I'm just going to put a little bit more paint on this corners, because I don't think I put quite enough on there to get me through this one. Okay. Let's give it a try now. Bring it down this way. It's working a little better. Just going to get the color down there and then I'm going to bring it back. There we go. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, that light green and the magenta is just amazing together. Okay, I think I have my paint back in the center, so I'm going to bring it down to this side. Come on, you can do it. Don't want to lose those right there because they're just so perfect. I'm just going to bring it down so that magenta is off the corner. And then I'm going to bring it back to this corner. Straighten those back out. So cool. This is one of the neatest techniques in pour painting. It is very time consuming. It can be very expensive. Spend a lot of money trying different things that will work. And just to find out that you probably should have just ordered the stuff online to begin with, which I should have done. I tried a couple of different things before I went ahead and ordered my Amsterdam paint and my Australian Floetrol. But you live and you learn, and you play and you practice. almost there. You can do it. Right now I'm seeing a couple of eyes and ears and like a goofy little critter. But we'll get him back up here and see if I still see him. I'm just trying to bring things back to the center a little bit. And then I'll show you a close-up. And you can tell me whether you see the little critter in it or not. Okay, I think it's back in the center. Cover my sides a little bit here, because I had that primed with that, what I did is I scraped up what was on my plastic here that I have that I drip on, and I just primed these boards with it. It's better than wasting paint. So at least I used all my drippies for something productive. Okay, just gonna scrape my edges here across the bottom. Get that cleaned up, and then I'll give you a close-up. If you don't scrape around your edges, your paint will just continue dripping off. And you won't be left with nothing, but you don't want it to stretch beyond where you have left it. Just get rid of those drips, and you prevent it from doing it anymore. I love this magenta. But who do you see there? I see kind of a elephant-looking dude. But it's very pretty. The cells are awesome. Lacing is perfect. Looks like a butterfly wing right there. But thank you so much for coming and watching my video, everyone. I appreciate it. Please like and share and subscribe and hit the thumbs up and all that stuff that helps my channel. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.